Ay, what? Aha! Nag-teleport! Asan yun? What? Nawala bigla! Ay, ito. Oh. Ay, ito na si Joel. Ito na yung dragon. Asan yun? Bilisan mo, Joel. Hindi na ako maglulot. Joke lang, maglulot pala ako. Wala akong bala. Loot muna. Kahit mamamatay na si Ellie.
Pointless. I can't see a thing.
Just keep
Ay, wait.
searching.
May kalaban.
Come through here, we gotta catch her.
We should be guarding the shelter. We got an infection running
Nandito
around
na si
town.
Joel,
Guarding
pre.
the damn exit.
Look, the kid is
Ito.
deadly.
Minecraft gamer. Pabow-bow lang. Baka hindi nyo alam, PvP player ako sa Minecraft. Tapos ang range weapon sa Minecraft, bow lang. PvP player to sa Minecraft, pre. Don't you dare me. Isa akong bow spammer sa Minecraft.
Watch my back.
Saan na? Aray. Wala pala, hindi pala ako tinamaan, nag-aray ako. Ito ba siya doon?
Watch my back.
You know what? I-upgrade ko na yung ano ko. Yung descent mode distance. Hindi ko makita eh. Ay, ay! Ayun, mas kita ko na. Dalawang POV. Oo, kay ano, kay... Pinapakita yung POV ni Joel sa ni Ellie. Wait. Let's go. Baka Joel yan. Natuhog na nga, buhay pa eh. Nagtaka ka pa. So wala na yon, takbo na lang ako. Din sa daanan ko na siya. Oh my god. Wag kang epal.
There. Here. Spread out.
What the fuck?
Ubus na. Oh my god! May defense pa ako bukas. Magre-review pa ako ng paper namin. Pa-ending na, onti na lang. Ayun yung bag ni Ellie!
Where the hell is Ellie's stuff here?
Ay, ito yung
Oh Christ.
Reset, cannibal nga pala sila. Ito yung ano oh. Yung mga kinakain nila.
I gotta find her.
Malapit na si Joel.
Holy shit.
Ayun, doon! Oh! Ba't nag-lock screen? Ah, cutscene pala. Hi, RGG. Oh, di ba may hype train bunch ka dito? Ano? Test or... Ayun! Ayan! Ayun! Itak! Kunin mo! Kunin mo! Kunin mo. Bilisan mo na. Bilisan mo na. Bilisan mo na. Bilisan mo na, Ellie. Sige na. Sige na. Sige na. Kaya mo yan. Go. 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 Okay. Sige lang. Pinapress ko yung W, Ellie. Alam kong W ang katapat niya. Ah!
I knew you had heart.
Nauntog si
No, it's
Ellie.
okay to give up. Ain't no shame in it.
Ito na nga eh.
I guess not. Just not your style, is it? You can try begging.
Fuck you.
Oh my God!
You think you know me? Huh? Well, let me tell you something.
Abutin mo, abutin mo.
No idea what I'm capable of.
Ayun si John!
Stop!
Fucking touch me!
Okay, it's me. It's me. It's me. Look, look. It's me.
He tried to...
Oh, baby girl.
Oh, baby girl!
Oh.
Ah. I mean, she has to, or it's either David or Ellie. So, oh!
Ellie! Ellie!
Did you hear me?
No. What?
Look. Hospital.
Hospital!
This is where we get off.
Hospital!
Let's go, kid.
We're ending like this now. Do we, ano na?
Feel that breeze, huh?
Do we beat this tonight?
I tell you, on a day like this, I just sit on my porch,
No, no, no.
take away my
We,
stress.
we,
Yeah, once we're done with this whole thing,
the
I'll
ending
teach you how to
is
play guitar.
near.
Yeah, I reckon you'd really
So-
like that.
So,
What do you say, huh?
that means we're in the hospital right now. So, we will, you want to, yeah. Do you want to stay up to beat the ending? Yes, yes. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, yes, it's very near. Very near. The ending is what? I think it's good ending. I think. I hope so. I hope so. I hope. Whew. Where's Ellie? Naiiwan. Oh, 2 minutes
Look at
na.
that. Another city, another abandoned quarantine zone.
Wow, sparking dollar. I mean, pwede naman na. Oh, ayan na yun.
There's that hospital
St.
the
Mary's
Firefly mentioned.
Hospital.
Come on, kiddo.
The ending is small PP. Dapat hindi yan 2 minutes eh. Dapat 200 English words. Eh. Bibilangin pa yung words.
Maybe we cut through here, huh?
Yeah. Onti na lang. Saan na ba yun? Ellie!
Well, we could use that ladder.
Bye na, Kuya Lee. Oo. Hindi mo natatapusin ko na yung ending, I think. Wait, anong oras na ba? Abot pa ba to? Parang nabibitin ako eh pagka Hindi ko tinapos
Here we go.
ngayon stream eh. Oh, tulala si Joel.
Ellie,
What?
the ladder. Come on.
Right.
Sad si Ellie. She's sad. Matamlay si Ellie. Grabe si Joel, no? Parang wala lang sa kanya yon. Parang walang sugat sa kanya ngayon, ah. Parang di nasugatan, ah.
Oh my god.
Whoa. What is it? Ellie!
Pinaksakan ng ladder.
Ellie!
Go.
You gotta see this.
Ano?
What is it? What the hell is...
Are you kidding me?
Ano yun? Ha? Wow! Ano meron? Wala si Ellie, tumakbo.
Come on, hurry up.
in the Sam Hill?
Wow, giraffe! Ba't may giraffe pa? What? Nabuhay pa yung giraffe sa gantong world?
You see that?
Wow!
Don't scare it.
I won't.
Can I interrupt?
What are you doing?
It's all right. Come here. There you go. Hurry up. Come on.
Hey there. So fucking cool. Oh, where's it off to? Here, come on, let's go.
Slow down, kiddo.
Slow down, kiddo.
Come on. Hurry up, come on.
Ano ba? Ang bilis ni Ellie.
Oh, man.
Ay, ang dami! Ang dami!
Those things.
So, is this everything you were hoping for?
May pag-asa pa yung mundo nila kasi may buhay pang hayop. Oh.
You can't deny the view, though.
Oo, kasi 'di ba nung kanina may unggoy pa. Tapos ngayon giraffe.
We don't have to do this. You know that, right?
What's the other option?
Go back to Tommy's. Just be done with this whole damn thing.
After all we've been through. Everything that I've done. It can't be for nothing.
Ayan, diretso talaga sila sa hospital. Oh my god, sana ilan minutes na lang to. Sabihin natin 30 minutes na lang sana. Tapos ending na.
Look, I know you mean well, but there's no halfway with this. Once we're done, we'll go wherever you want.
We'll go
Okay.
wherever you want. Okay.
Well, I ain't leaving without you. So let's go wrap this up.
Konti na lang. Konti na lang. Ito na yung abandoned camp.
This place takes me back.
How so?
That was right after everything went down. I ended up in a triage just like this. And everywhere you looked, you just saw families torn apart. Whole damn world seemed to have turned upside down in a blink.
Is that after you lost Sarah?
Yes, it will.
Uy, may pang-upgrade.
Can't imagine losing someone you love like that. Losing everything that you know. I'm sorry, Joel.
That's okay, Ellie.
Ay, nako. Onti na lang. Onting kembot na lang. Ano ba yan? Parang nasasad naman ako na matatapos na. Parang... Paano ba sabihin yun?
Alright, let's see what we got.
Parang last upgrade ko na to ah. So what can I upgrade? Diba yung flamethrower di ko pala nagagamit. Pero I think shotgun. Or yung sniper. Sniper is a good. Yeah, snipe. What can I upgrade here? Power. Round fires by the weapon deal more damage. Hold more rounds. Yeah, I think kailangan ko ng rounds. Ang ganda din ng animation ng ano no, ng crafting.
Now we're talking.
Alright. Let's go. Onti na lang. Lobat na yung mouse ko, pero sige. Ipipilit natin yung, i-drain natin yung battery na ito.
I got something for you.
Ano yan?
Here. Maria showed this to me and I stole it. I hope you don't mind.
Ay! Binigay na naman sa kanya. Nakatulog na si Ryujin. Tatapusin ko na to ngayong gabi. So, if ever, panoodin nyo na lang yung VOD.
Well, no matter how hard you try, I guess you can't escape your past.
You can't escape your past. Grabe yun ah. Grabing line yun ah. No matter how hard you try, you can't escape the past. Well,
This time it's gonna be different. I just know it.
What do you mean?
They're gonna be there. The Fireflies. I'm sure of it.
oh. Grabe mga all-nighter talaga kayo, no? Oh, Kendrick! Thank you, sir! Kendrick Raid! Sinanay kayo ni Kuya Pat mag-ano, no? Magpuyat-puyat. Kendrick Raid! Hi, Kendrick. May kalaban. May umaangel. Sa workday. UK time. Wait, let me try this. Hindi ka pa natitry yung flamethrower. Tinapos mo yung marupok. Nakakatawa ending nun ni Gara. Inaantay ko yung game ni Morushi na ano, na baha. Sa paa tinamaan. Ba't kasi may bloater dito? bad. Sunog pa ata si Ellie. Sorry, Ellie. Hindi ba pang bloater to? Oh no. Oh no. This is bad. This is bad. This is super bad. Oh my god, ang dami!
Follow me.
Oh my god, may bloater pa dito. Pre! What is happening? Pang-floater ba to? Pang-floater to. Punyeta, punyeta. Buhay ka pa? Wala na akong
Watch my back.
bala. Bato ng bato. Wala na akong bahala. Huwag mo akong lapitan. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, ay, ay. Ubus na. Thank you, Lord. Whew. That's a lot. Like, really. Oh my God. Naubos yung items ko. Ah, Ellie. Hindi ka na dito. Bakit 2 times na lang pipe? Ang sakit kasi sa tenga. Kaya ginawa ko na lang 2 times.
Okay.
Sumasakit na yung tenga ko sa pipe.
We're good. I don't think they can reach us now.
Okay.
Konti na lang. Konting kembot na lang. We are here.
Watch your step. That water looks pretty deep.
Hey, that's what we can do once we're done.
What's that?
You can teach me how to swim.
Hey, teach you how to swim. What if may piranha? Ay, no way.
I'm on the other side. All right.
Wala yan,
Hold up.
wala yan. Aayusin ko na din pala yan, ano ko, yung badge ko ng sub. Yung sa Tomb Raider, may piranha. Hirap
All
sumisid.
right, just stick to the edge.
Ayun pa pala.
It's shallow over there.
Plano ko din laruin yun. Yung Tomb Raider. Yung mga mahahabang story game. Wala na kasi akong pambili ng short horror games eh. Ang mahal-mahal kasi.
There's that comic of hers.
Saan na ba ako dadaan? Kuha ko lang yun.
Freezing!
Meron kay Kendrick. Libre lang din. Oo, yung sa Epic Games. Hiramin ko yung Steam ni Kendrick. Ay, no, Epic Games ni Kendrick.
And another jam door.
Kaya nga, yung sa'yo.
All right. Give me your foot.
Okay.
Come on. Get that door open.
To be honest, nagulat nga ako na successful yung series na to eh. Kasi, yung ibang series, like, yung iba naboboard na, ganon. Ay, ay, ay!
Get the fuck off of me!
Ay, 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 ay ka.
Fuck you! Go!
You okay?
Yeah,
Ilan bala yung
you
sinayang ko
just
dun?
surprised me. Man, I can't wait for those things to be wiped out.
Kasi ako na napakadaming bala. Side quest. Uy, kunin ko yung ano. Bawal ko kunin yun. Ano ba yan? Punta sa likod. Vouch ba, Ate Nomi?
Time to go to work.
Sige, tingnan ko kung kailan ko malalaro yan. Reload speed. Ah! Ang tagal pa ata nito, 1 oras pa ata to. Pero sige, tatapusin. Okay na yan, kabisado ko naman yung paper ng research namin. Kaya I'll be doing fine tomorrow.
This'll do just fine. Confidence.
Eh.
Hey, look! There it is!
Ayun na nga po, tinanong na po. The purpose of this study. Uy, gumanon. Ayoko, ano muna yan? Ma-mental block ako. Ano na to? Puzzle?
I ain't making that jump.
How will it benefit the community? Ay, nako, Ate Nomi. Joke lang pala, joke lang. Di ko kabisado yung paper. Biglang ganun nila. Wait, malulunod ba si Joel dito? Ano yung research namin eh? Di ba yung ano, yung nakita ko yung kay Tommy? Ganon yung ano namin, pero... Ay, oo, ganon kasi nagproproduce ng electricity siya. Ng ano, ng water flow. Ang galing nga ng product eh. Hindi ko alam paano namin nagawa yun. Pero nakapag-produce kami ng electricity gamit yung product namin. Gamit ang water flow. Nagla-light yung ano, yung ilaw. Anong gagawin ko dun? Wait, hindi ko gets yung puzzle. Di ba ito muna? Aabutin ni Eddie to? Hindi. Ito? Oh no! Pero may mga nakagawa na din. Ano nang kakaiba sa ginawa niya na wala sa iba? Yung materials, yung specific sa amin. Iba yung materials na ginamit namin. Ano siya? Galing siya sa waste. Ayun yung ginawa namin na iba sa iba. Iba sa iba. gagawin ako dito eh. What kind of waste? Yung mga, ano, recycled materials, plastic, and other stuff.
I need to get up there.
Wait, may daanan dito. Ayun. Recycle mga gamit na tubo, ganun. Ate Nomi, tinatanong na agad ako, bukas pa yan. Ay, yeah, bukas pa nga. Hindi pa naman 12. Sasabihin ko sana mamaya.
Made it. Alright, come on.
Practice. Kaya ko naman yan. Ilan na lang founder badge kay Ate Art? Bakit affiliate na ba si Artemis? 10 pa. Hindi pa ako nakakasub kay kay Art.
All right. Get on.
Okay. Okay, there. I'm on it.
Grabe pala no, sobrang helpful ng second monitor sa Sobrang helpful ng second monitor pag naka-stream ka. Uy, pumipiyok na. Kasi nung mga dati sa phone ko lang binabasa yung chat eh. So parang sobrang naging ano ko na yung second monitor. Like gamit na gamit ko siya.
Stand back!
Oh, Discord din. Gagamit ko. Ay naman, ang bigat mo, Joel.
Damn ladder broke off the wall.
Now what?
I'll figure something out.
Ilalagay ko ba yun dun? Saan ko? Ah, eto. No. Ah, yeah. Dito. Nasira pa. Naalala ko tuloy si Kuya Pat nung isang beses. Yung nag-school by runaway siya. Inabot ng umaga. Good night, Maui. Eyo, ba't nag-pause bigla? Oo, kasi, ba't kasi siya nakipag-bet? Nakipag-bet siya sa community kasi na, pagka di ko natapos to, magpapakalbo ko. Yan! Nayari, si Kuya Pat.
Oh, I see. Good idea.
Let's go, Ellie. Ako na din, ayoko na makalbo. First and last ko na yung
Oh,
kalbo
boy.
ko.
Let me go ahead, and you follow my lead.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, right behind you.
Dili. Waya. 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 Lagi
Okay.
mantikan niya
Come
na
on, jump.
matapos realize ko 4
You're
AM
gonna
na.
catch me?
I got you.
Hindi na talaga kaya. I suppose hindi nakapamalengke ako around 6.
See? You didn't even need me.
Hindi na
Let's get the hell off
nakapamalengke.
this thing.
Wait, anong oras na dyan ngayon? Ate Nom. Whoa!
Riley,
Oh no,
Riley,
oh no,
move.
oh no, oh no, oh no. Ay, muntik na. Oh, never mind. Muntik na. Sige, kaya mo yan. Kaya mo yan. No, no, no. Joel. Oh. E. Letter E. Yes, I am holding E. Ayan. Open the door.
Riley!
Ah, okay. Work yung nasa US. Wait lang. Oh.
Ellie, give me your hand! Give me your hand before you...
Okay. Langoy. Aha. Aha. Ayun si Ellie, nalunod na. Ellie! Nalunod na si Ellie. Oh no. Oh no, oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
Hands in the air!
Ala, kasino ka?
Hands in the fucking air!
Ay,
Welcome
si
to the
Marlene.
Fireflies. Sorry about that. They didn't know who you were.
And Ellie?
She's all right. They brought her back.
Okay na, boy na si Ellie. Okay. Ah, nasa hospital
You
na.
came all this way. How'd you do it?
It was her. She fought like hell to get here. Maybe it was meant to be.
I lost most of my crew crossing the country. I pretty much lost everything. And then you show up, and somehow we find you just in time to save her. Maybe it was meant to be.
Take me to her.
You don't have to worry about her anymore. We'll take care
I
of her.
worry. Just let me see her, please.
You can't.
You okay?
She's being prepped for surgery.
Ah, surgery.
The hell you mean surgery?
The doctors tell me the cordyceps, the growth inside her, has somehow mutated. It's why she's immune. Once they remove it, they'll be able to reverse engineer a vaccine.
Ah, vaccine.
A vaccine.
But it grows all over the brain.
It does.
Mamamatay si
Find
Ellie.
someone else.
There is no one else.
So you
Mamamatay
gotta show
si
me
Ellie.
where-
Mamamatay si
Stop.
Ellie pag inoperahan.
I get it. But whatever it is you think you're going through right now is nothing to what I have been through. I knew her since she was born. I promised her mother I would look after her.
Then why are you letting this happen?
Because this isn't about me, or even her. There is no other choice here.
Yeah, you keep telling yourself that bullshit.
March him out of here. He tries anything, shoot him. Don't waste this gift, Joel.
Get up. I said get up. Go on. Move. I said move. Give me an excuse. Which way?
Bag niya.
What the fuck are you doing? Keep walking. I said keep walking.
Wow!
Where was the operating room? I ain't got time for this.
Ay! Goodbye, hotdog.
Where?
Top floor, the far end.
Hindi na talaga siya magkakaanak. Pinatay na siya. Oh my god, makikipagbarilan ako.
The smuggler, he's in here.
Eh, paano to? Wala akong bala. Anong gagawin ko? Isi-save ko si Ellie?
We got a man down.
Locate the target and eliminate.
Yes, sir. Search the floor. Find that smuggler and shoot him on sight.
Kailangan ko unti-untiin to. What can I craft? Oh, there you go. Saan yung brick? Napulot ka ba yung brick? Ayun. Okay. Visit ka. Sa brick.
Come, man, move it up. Don't let him get away.
Wow, my god! Eh, walang kwenta yung bow ko dito.
Cover me. I'm moving up.
Ano yung nakapunta doon?
Cover me. I'm moving up.
Ha, buhay ka pa? Kalbo?
All right, go. Watch my back. Don't lose him.
Oh my god, ang dami kong papatayin.
Watch my back. Drop him.
Oh no!
Okay, watch my back.
Ba't may rifle yan? Oh my god, pre.
Watch my back. I got it.
I'm done. I'm dead, I'm dead. Ba't may bratatatat? Ganon sila. Oh my god. Tapos hindi ko din mapatay ng ano. Ng, what do you call this? Ng bow kasi may helmet.
Right there.
Ito, so. Ang daming gamit kasi. my god, bro. Apakadami. Ito, I need this. Okay, hindi ako kita dito.
Damn it.
Oh, you're gonna pay for this, asshole!
Sniper ammo, kailangan ko. Ito, ang essential nung mga ano, nung mga brick. Kailangan ko yung bote-bote na to.
Here he is!
Oh my god, may rifle ako. Bratatatat. 14 lang bala na ito. Tikat. Okay ka pa? Ay ko! Ang hirap na ito. Wala akong pang craft medkit. Napakadami! Oh my god, ang hirap gamitin nito. May bala. Go pa. Sira ulo yun.
You over there? He's gone!
Oh my god, kailangan ko lock in muna chat ha. I'm so sorry. Wala akong commentary. I'm so locked in.
Any surprises for me? Huh?
Can I run here?
What are you gonna do?
Ang lock-in ko masyado, pucha. Hindi na ako nagko-commentate. I'm sorry, I'm sorry. My bad. Kailangan ko ng medkit. At least may rifle na ako.
Down this way. Stay alert.
Wala ako dito.
Fucking master over here. Search every inch of this floor. Find this guy now.
Come on down there. Oh. Did you hear what I... He's over here!
Go. Top floor. Top floor. Pinakatuktok. Ano to?
April 28. Marlene was right. The girl's infection is like nothing I've ever seen.
What's this?
The cause of her immunity is uncertain. As we've seen in all past cases, the antigenic titers of the patient's cordyceps remain high in both the serum and the cerebrospinal.
Oh my god, I don't have time for this, Joel. Ito pa, tape. Ang daming tape. Mamaya na yan, mamaya na. We have to get to Ellie fast. Okay, sana dito.
No matter what, he doesn't get through here. Go!
Wala pa din dito? Woo! Pucha, ang intense. Stop this.
He's not here.
No.
Cover me. I'm moving up. I got your back. Motherfucker!
Asan na yung brick ko? 1v1 pre. Ano na? Bus na. Never mind. Am I done? Am I done? Oh my god. Ayun na yung fire end. Ito na.
That should buy me some time.
Oh my god, ito na.
Sweet Jesus.
Doctor?
What are you doing in here? I won't let you take her. This is our future. Think of all the lives we'll save.
Oh,
Don't come any closer. I mean it.
kukunin ko yung...
Animal!
Carrie, shut the hell up.
Ellie, come here.
Come on, baby girl. I got you. I got you. Oh, shit.
Oh my god, I'm still playing? Oh my god, i-cutscene nyo na lang! Ay, nahabol pa ako.
I'm getting you out of here, girl.
Come on, come on.
I got you.
Cover the exit.
I got you. Come on. Damn it, which way?
Oh my god, saan magdadaan?
Move around to the other side!
We're okay. We're okay.
Elevator?
This is your last chance.
Ayun,
Drop
elevator.
him. Now! I got him in my sight. Get back! Hold your fire! Hey, stop!
You can't save her.
Si Marlene!
Even if you get her out of here, then what? How long before she's torn to pieces by a pack of clickers? That is, if she hasn't been raped and murdered first.
It ain't for you to decide.
It's what she'd want. And you know it. Look. You can still do the right thing here. She won't feel anything.
Binigay niya si Ellie. Never mind. Si Ellie nasa likod.
What the hell am I wearing?
Just take it easy. Drugs are still wearing off.
What happened?
We found the fireflies. Turns out there's a whole lot more like you, Ellie.
Nagsisinungaling si Joe.
People that are immune. There's dozens, actually.
Oh.
Ain't done 'em a damn bit of good, neither. They've actually... They've stopped looking for a cure. I'm taking us home. I'm sorry.
Wait! Let me go. Please.
You just come after her.
Oh my god.
Well, looks like we're walking.
I'm playing as
Should be a
Ellie.
straight shot through here.
All right.
It's actually kind of pretty, ain't it?
Yeah.
All right. Now watch your head going through.
Here. I got it.
Feeling my age now.
Suspend ka sa TikTok. Yan, mura
I
pa.
don't think I ever told you, but Sarah and I used to take hikes like this.
Sarah.
I think the two of you would have been good friends. I think you really would have liked it. I know she'd have
Ano
liked
ba yan? Pinag-uusapan nila si Sarah.
it. Oh. Look down there.
Sensitive sa TikTok. Ito na yung yung bahay nila,
Just a
Tommy.
little bit further now.
Yay. Bumalik na sila kala Tommy. Bro, ending na. Baka pag anoin mo pa ako ng puzzle, ha, Joel, ha? Ayun.
There. I got you. Give me your hand. All right, come on.
Hey, wait. Back in Boston? Back when I was bitten? I wasn't alone. My best friend was there. And she got bit too. We didn't know what to do. So, she says, let's just wait it out. You know, we can be all poetic and just lose our minds together.
Oh, no. I just realized.
I'm still waiting for my turn.
Una niyang
Her
napatay
name
best
was
friend
Riley,
niya.
and she was the first to die. And then it was Tess. And then Sam.
None of that is on you.
Oh, you don't understand.
I struggled for a long time with surviving. And you... No matter what, you keep finding something to fight for. Now, I know that's not what you want to hear right now.
Swear
but
to
it's-
me. Swear to me that everything that you've said about the Fireflies is true.
I swear.
Okay?
Oh my God! Nagsinungaling pa din si Joel. Tapos sa part 2, malalaman ni Ellie nagsinungaling si Joel. Oh my God, looking forward sa part 2! Oh my God, pag-release nito, I promise chat, pagka-release nung part 2, Lalaruin ko agad. Lalaruin ko agad yon. Straight up buy sa Steam. Promise, I promise it. Oh my god, lalaruin ko agad to. Oh. Kahit magkano pa yon. Kahit magkano pa yon. Bibilin ko yon. Oh my god. Such a great story. Pero, oh my god! Ano mangyayari sa part 2? Anong gagawin ni Ellie? Wait, may DLC pa to eh. Wait a minute. We're not done yet. Do we quit to main menu? We're not done yet. We're not done yet. Yeah, meron pang... Wait a minute. Nakaharang yung facecam ko. As you can see here, ito yung main story, The Last of Us. Tapos yung DLC ito. It's finally here. Kailangan ko na mag-outro. So, YouTube, see you sa DLC neto, Left Behind. Pero, ayun lang muna yung video natin for tonight. Sub ka na sa akin para ma-notify ka sa mga next videos ko. Like mo na din kung nagustuhan mo. At sana makita pa uli kita sa mga next videos ko. Yun lang. Bye!
Mag-isa lang ako. Ang hirap maghanap ng kakampi. Kahit anong sabihin ko, walang nag-iintindi. Mag-isa lang ako. Kahit malungkot ang nararamdaman.